Hey, what's up? It's me. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned that I love, and this is how to convert a PDF, or convert an object to a file to a PDF on your iPad. This took me forever to learn. I did a bunch of Google searching, and I'm so excited that I learned it because I use this all the time. It's very simple. So watch this. So this is the illustration we just ran, right? So we have this client Jones, and we ran the, I'm gonna go, case actions, hold on. Yeah, so quotes and illustrations, here we are. So we just did this, right? We just did this training, and you're gonna go to, let's see, case information. Looks like it's locked, hold on. Proposal. I think I accidentally locked it when I was messing around with it, and there we go. Okay, so he's a client Jones, and he is 40 years old, and we did all this stuff, $500 a month, we're good to go. So we're gonna go to view and print the illustration, right? And you get the purple candy cane, there it is. So we gotta wait, and it's coming. Play some lovely elevator music while you're waiting, or talk about their grandkids, because everyone loves talking about their grandkids. Okay, and here we go. It comes up in a new window. Now, if it doesn't do that, you have to go to your settings, and you go to Chrome, which is the browser that I use, and allow pop-ups. Okay, so it will, if it doesn't do that, if it doesn't give you a new window with the illustration, so here's the illustration, you have to go into your settings and change the allow pop-ups. Okay, so here we go. See that right there? Okay, so we're gonna upload, hit that video, or that little link, and it says print. You would never know to do this. We go to print, and this comes up, right? We're not gonna print it, but now watch, here's the magic. Take this, pinch it, open it up, boom. There's your PDF document. Okay, all I did was, that's it. So now I can go up to this little thing up in the corner there, and I can hit this. Whoops, what did I just do? There. I can hit that, and now I can save to my drive. There it is. And I can upload it to my drive. I'm gonna cancel. Or I can email it, and guess what? Look at that. It's a PDF attachment. See that? That's not worded, the name on the file is kind of funny, but it's an actual PDF attachment in your email, and you can just send them an email. So again, I'm gonna go back and show you one more time. Undo. So we go here, you run the illustration, go up here, go to print. When it comes up, you just zoom the screen up, and now you get another window, and that gives you a lot better options. You can even open it right into Notability, into all kinds of things. You can post it on the Telegram if you want. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but there you go. That's how you do it.